Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to embed Instagram feed on Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is you can actually just head over to a new tab and then search in here for apps at shopify.com. So once you head over to the URL, you should be able to see this Insta feed, Instagram feed right here. But for some cases, if you can't see this, then you can just search for this particular application. Now let's head over and click on it. Then from in there, head over and click on this install button. So let's try to install it. Then this will open a new tab right here wherein it will ask you for access in order to successfully install this application to your Shopify store. So in here, just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. So from in here, just click on the install option, and then as you can see, this will install this application. And then in here, you should be able to see the dashboard of the InstaFeed. So the first step that you need to do is just head over and click on this connect with Instagram. Now it will open a new tab right here over directly to the new window wherein you can open your Instagram application. As you can see, it will ask for access in order to allow the connection. So head over and then click on allow. And then in just a few seconds, it will redirect you back to Shopify in order to complete the binding process. So as you can see, this is what it will look like right now. You can actually put in here a feed title. Like for example, let's name it check this out. Then you can also change the on post click, you can open pop-up, go to Instagram. You can also put in here post spacing as well as the rounded corners if you want to do this. You can also put in here the grid for the squares. You can actually do this like this one. You can change the styles, squares, or the slider that you want for this one. Then after that, you can also change the number of rows. Now, if you're satisfied with everything, just head over and save this feed that you have. And then once you have saved this feed that you have, the next thing you need to do is just click on this Add Insta Feed to your team homepage. So head over and click on this button. And then as you can see, this will load your Shopify again, and it will open a new window. Now on this window that will open, you should be able to see the embeds. So let's just wait for it. So as you can see under the apps right here, you should be able to see the InstaFeed app. So click on the Got It right here, and as you can see, it has already been added to our homepage. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.